Hi my friend, my name is Mualla. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn about few dialogues which are easy to have them in our project. One of them is ColorTemplate. The other one will be LongTextTemplate for a text which we can scroll that, and the other one will be CignatureTemplate. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's speak about B4XSignatureTemplate. Captures the user signature and adds a timestamp to the bitmap. Let's see. Okay, so XUI views is activated and I can define one variable here, B4X dialog, and then I can initialize it here. And here, as I told you before, we can say show template. And we need one template. What is our template? This variable, B4XSignature, and we need to define it before that. So we can say, for example, signature as B4XSignatureTemplate. And then we need to initialize that. And that's it, the only thing that we need. So I can say show the signature template. Do we need OK button? Yes. Positive answer. And no answer is not needed. And cancel. Now we need to see if this one is positive. So let's wait for what? This dialog to be shown, and then the user will confirm it whether he will click on OK or cancel. But we need to know whether he clicked on OK or cancel. If the answer was equal to XUI response positive, then what? The result of this dialog will be bitmap. Let's see what we have made so far. Okay. As you see, there is one area to draw something, for example, this one. And then, okay. So what I need is one title, for example, later we will use it. But now we need to use this drawing or signature of the user. We can show it inside root. Set bitmap yes is equal to, so the root, this one, root of this page, will get its bitmap from this template s.bitmap easily. Okay, maybe it needs to be like this. Yes, sorry about that. Now I can draw, for example, B4A. Okay, it adds one timestamp. Yes, this one to the bitmap, and then we will see that. So as you see, easily you can use signature template. Let's work with another one, ColorTemplate. Now we are going to use this one, ColorTemplate. Nice color picker. Okay, let's see this nice color picker. B4X color template. The rest of things are almost the same, except here we have selected color here. Let's see how we can give it to root color. Yes. And let's try it. For example, this color. Yes. While changing that, I can see that here inside title. So the user here, he can choose one color, and here, whether that is dark or light. Okay, very easy, isn't it? The other thing that I want to test is LongTextTemplate, scrollable text. So let's see. B4X long text, and then initializing that, and okay, and now we need a long text. Let's see, what about this long text? Okay, I can copy that, and I can define one variable here, my text as string, and I can use smart string because it's more than one color. So you need, maybe normal string is only this double quotation, but smart string, it has $1 here and at the end. And between that, you can have, next line. Okay, now we need to give it to this template. s.text is equal to this variable, which is my text. I think if we don't need this, yes. As you see, we can scroll that. It's very good for, your policy. If you want to put your application in Google Store, in Play Store, you need to show your policy to your user. And here you can show it to your user, and he can confirm it. And once he click on this one, you can understand that, okay, he confirmed that. And it's important for us that we see our user is confirming our policy. The other thing that I want to do is to change the text color. Text color or maybe background. Can we change that? Yes. We can change it this way. Custom list view dot, because there is one list view here. It allows me to scroll the text. So here we have default text color. So now this is white. I can make it to gray. XUI, for example, yellow. Yeah, this way. And the background, custom list view, default text background color. For example, white. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed in my panel, please subscribe in my channel. And if you liked my video, hit on that like button. Thank you very much.